Back-to-school budgeting tips. The back-to-school shopping season is the second most expensive time of the year after the winter holidays. The average family with children from kindergarten to grade 12 will spend almost $700 this year, while the average college student can expect to spend over $975 to go back to school, which is down from last year. College students will do most of their shopping online and at department stores, while more than half of the families with children in kindergarten through grade 12 still plan to shop at department stores. Back-to-school shoppers plan to spend most on clothing, with electronics coming in second place, while the opposite is true for college students. Don't leave it to the last minute. It will only increase your stress and overburden your budget. The P.R.P.R method helps you to create a strategic plan of attack for shopping on a budget. Create a shopping plan that includes the items that you need to buy with the best driving routes. That way you'll save time. Research tax-free holidays in your state, and remember to subscribe to the retailer's newsletter and social media accounts for deal updates. Prioritize what's essential now and which items you can save for later. Explain to your kids that you can't buy everything they want. Maybe one item now, or they can earn money by doing chores. For more tips on how to shop smart for back to school, visit consolidatedcredit.org.